Come test drive 2012 Cruze. The Cruze blueprint calls for more than you'd expect. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, Bluetooth, air conditioning, auto express down window, power steering, adjustable headrests, alloy wheels, cruise control. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.